Hello, I'm Joseph Fair from LitePoint, and today I'm here to introduce you the new 11AC tester, which has been designed by LitePoint on purpose to support the new 11AC technology. IQxel had been designed keeping in mind the backward compatibility with IQ 2010 and IQxel, and had been designed keeping in mind the needs of manufacturing and R&D. Our tester supports 3 different flavors. The first one is what we call IQxel. IQxel is by standard capable to support all the Wi-Fi legacy standard ABGN, and optionally can be upgraded in order to support the 11AC 80 MHz, the differential baseband analysis, Bluetooth from 1.0 up to 4.0, and also MIMO. The second flavor of our tester is called IQxel 80. IQxel 80 by standards, it supports Wi-Fi 11A, B, G, N, and P, and also 11AC in 80 MHz mode. On top of this, can be upgraded in order to support Bluetooth from 1.0 up to 4.0, the differential baseband analysis, and MIMO. Finally, we have IQxel 160. IQxel 160 is capable by standard to support Wi-Fi A, B, G, N, P, and also 11AC in 80 MHz, 160 contiguous, and 80 plus 80 non-contiguous. Finally, it can be upgraded in order to support Bluetooth from 1.0 up to 4.0, differential baseband analysis, and MIMO. Let's see now what we have done in order to improve the capabilities of the new IQxel tester. What we did is that we approached the new design by looking to what we have done in the past and improving in different areas. The first one is that we have internalized the CPU. This will allow us to make capture and analysis in the same box and to speed up test time. The second important point is that the installation package is much more easier. Now we don't need to install any specific software, you don't have any dependency from any type of software libraries, and we are able to support Skippy and C-based API. Third important point, we have a new web browser graphical user interface, which has been designed in purpose to allow the customer to analyze all the RF data in a static mode. We are capable today to support more than enough bandwidth required by the new standard 11AC. IQxel is capable to support up to 240 MHz bandwidth in order to cover all the 11AC requirements in terms of 80 and 160 bandwidth. Finally, we have been able to improve different aspects for what concerns the hardware design. We have been able to improve our noise figure, lower our phase noise, and other parameters that are required in order to support the new 11AC standards. Another important aspect for what concerns IQxel is that it is software backward compatible with the previous IQ Flex and IQ 2010. This is an extremely important aspect. If in the past you have developed any IQ Fact Plus, IQ Lite Layer, or IQ Measure, you don't need to rewrite them again. You just swap the box, recompile with the new API, and you are ready to go. When we design a new tester in LitePoint, we always keep in mind the manufacturing needs. On the manufacturing environment, what you want is that you want to have a robust tester and fast enough in order to keep your costs low. The way we design IQxel is that we have kept a compact design to you. We have very strong Type N connector, and everything is calibrated up to the connector. On top of this, we design in order to be fast and to lower the cost on the manufacturing line. LitePoint does not deliver only testers, but LitePoint delivers test solution. On top of the tester, we have a software called IQ Fact Plus, which is basically a turnkey chipset-specific solution capable to integrate duty control, test control, and test plan and limits. This will speed up the time to market of our customer. By starting from the beginning of the test value chain, we will be able to accelerate the DVT characterization, we'll be able to shorten the manufacturing bring up, to enable higher factory throughput, and thanks to our extended geographical footprint, we can support the manufacturing line every time, everywhere, very fast. Today, IQ Fact library is improving, and we can support more than 200 chipsets, and is still growing. With IQxel, we will be able to provide a new graphical user interface. This graphical user interface has been designed with keeping in mind a different and new concept. Actually, the graphical user interface is embedded inside the tester. You don't need to install anything inside your PC. On top of this, it is operative system independent and it can run every time, anywhere. IQxel is capable to support 11AC not only in SISO mode, but also in MIMO. It's just sufficient for you to stack multiple boxes one upon the others and configure them in a master-slave configuration. Once you do that, you're ready to go in order to test 11AC MIMO. Finally, IQxel is the first manufacturing test solution capable to test 11AC and all the wireless LAN legacy standards. It's shipping now, is backward compatible with our previous testers IQ2010 and IQflex, and is capable to support all the wireless LAN standards in both MIMO and SISO mode. So thank you for your time, and if you wish to collect more information on LitePoint products, please visit litepoint.com.